Dear students, welcome to Super Talent Class Ntse Logic Reasoning. Today I will teach you the clock. Calendar is with clock. Everybody has seen the clock. So clock is very easy and you will getting it questions in all competitive exams. School level competitive exam, NSC, NTSC, SST, NCO, JMO, you will get it. So if you see the clock, immediately you see 12, 3, 6, 9. This is the clock. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. This is the clock you see. Now see clock has two hands. Two hands. That the shorter is minute hour hand is shorter and minute hand is the longer. Minute hand is longer. Suppose the hour hand that is shorter and minute hand that is longer. Now see our clock, very important question. What will get it from the clock? You see. Now you see the clock while from this that is 12, this minute hand is moving the total order. 100 degree minute hand that is while moving 360 degree. 360 degree. This our hand will move only 1 hour. Suppose this is 1 hour. That is 1 hour. Right? So 360 degree is moving. Right. So that is 360 degree moving. Minute is 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 360 by 60. Keep in mind 6 degree. Right? While our hand is moving each 60 minutes. Each part is, you think it 6 degree. So this is 1 hour. How many parts? 5 parts. So our hand while moving 30 degree. Minute hand move 360 degree. So what is the comparison? See, that is 1 degree is equal to 6 degree. So if it will move 1, it will be 6. Right? So that is the 630 degree. Then while this our hand you will see, while it is moving our hand minute hand. You will see, suppose the our hand, keep it in mind. If minute hand will move completely, then our hand will move 1 step. Right? So this is degree. 15 minutes you will get the 90 degree. 30 minutes you will get the 180 degree. Right? That is 45, 205 and this 360. So you see, this while moving this 15 minutes, this is 60 minutes. While 60 degree, it will move 5 steps. You make a step, 60 steps, 5 steps. While minute hand moves with this, that our hand. So minute hands gain by 60 minus 50, that is 55. Right? That is gaining by 55. This will remember. That is gain by 55 minutes. Then what will happen? The timing degree, while it will move with this, that is coincide. Our hand and minute hand coincide. Coincide. That is the 12th PM. That is coincide. This is coincide. But this is coincide 6 PM. 6 you see. That is coincide in opposite direction. Coincide and coincide in opposite direction. That is step. Step. You got step in this opposite direction. Opposite direction is 6 PM. You see 6, 6, 12. Opposite direction. 3, 9. Right? That is in opposite direction. So every hour, you see, every hour, while it will move through this hour hand and minute hand must coincide. Every hour they must coincide. So that is coinciding and straight line or in opposite directions. and right angle is, that is 15 minutes. Opposite, that is the, while opposite directions you see, right angle, that is right angle. Right angle, कितना minutes apart? 15 minutes apart. You keep it in mind. And this 180 degree, कितना minutes apart? 30 minutes apart. That is hour hand and minute hand. Right? Then you see. How many times this will coincide hour hand and minute hand? You see, I am not writing with all these things. It will take time. Just keep your mind. How many times this minute hand and hour hand coincide? That is most important, coming in different questions, different competitive exam. Even in the IS also, right angles how many coincide is coming in. Now see, that is how many sides it coincide. In 12 hours, that is 12 hours, 22 times, and 24 hours, that is 34 times. Right? So 22 times and 12 hours, that is 44 times. So you see, hands at right angles also 42 times. Hands at right angles, that is 44 times. And at opposite directions, that is 20. Straight line but in opposite directions, that is 22 times. Straight line but in opposite directions, that is 1222 times. Right? So that is the, you can by routing you can actually, that is 22 times, 40 times. But you see, so that is hands coincide at 22 times. 12 hours, hands coincide at 22 times. So that you see, coincide at 22 times. Why? 22 times coincide. That I will explain you. Others you can know. Suppose you see, this is 11, this is 10, this is 1, this is 2. Right? 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So now see, within 12 hours, it will coincide 11 times. 11 times. How you see? This class 11. While 11, this 1 p.m. is not true. While this 11, this will move 11 to 12 and minute hand will move and join here. That is coincide here. But while from after 12, it will start moving, minute hand will move fast and will reach 12. That time, what happens to the hour hand? It will move towards 1. Right? No coincide. So you keep in mind, 11 to 1, 11 to 1, only once coincide. You keep in only once coincide. So, coincide, that is 12, coincide. So, 12 hours 12 times, but 11 to 1, only once. So, it becomes 11. So, 24 hours, it will be 22, coincide. Right? So, again straight line but opposite direction. Straight line but in opposite direction you see. Straight line but in opposite direction. Opposite direction means just like this, that is opposite direction. This is 5, this is 7. Straight line but in opposite direction. You see, from 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 5, then 6, then 7. You see, from 5 to 7, only once, that is 6 o'clock. Only once, that's right, only once, that is 6 o'clock. So, it will be only once. So, it will be one less, that is 22 times. 12 hours. 11 into 12 hours. 11, 24 hours. 11, that is 22 times. Right? 5 to 7 you see, this is the 5. When it moves to 6, it will be only once. Then it will go for the 7. Yes. Now see the different angles. Different angles have different angles कैसा आता है? Different angles. So 3 p.m. 3 12. What is this? 90 degree. 6, 180 degree. Like this, you can get 8 o'clock to p.m. Suppose you see that is the clock, you see 6, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8. 8. Here, that 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 8 to, you see, 8 to, it will go for 2 p.m. Here, this line. 8 to, it will go for 2 p.m. You see, 8 to 2 p.m. You just see 8 p.m. When it will be 2 p.m., how much degree it will convert? It will move. What is the range? That movement will be, it will rotate through 180 degree. Right? Then 8:30. Then other questions will see. That is the tricky question. Suppose this is the simple 90 degree. This degree that is coming in the lower classes. But you see, that is for the higher classes. You see, that is suppose 12, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Suppose this is 12, 15. Just I am giving 12, 15. What will be the angle? Angle between our hand and minute hand. You see, this is the most important. You see, while we are taking it 11 minutes, that is the 12, 15, 12. Both are here, our hand and minute hand. When minute hand will move to 15, what will happen to our hand? You see, if simply imagine it, 15, that is 90 degree. So 90 degree means it will be 1, 6. Just imagine it, if this will be completely 4 parts and this is only 1, that is 1. 1 hour means how much it happens? 30 degree. You can convert it to other degree also. 30 degree. If 15 minutes, 90 degree, it will be 1 by 4, that is 7.5 degree. देखो 7.5 degree. क्योंकि 30 degree straight, 30 degree by 4 कर दो 7.5 degree. Right? 30 degree by 4 कर दो, that is 7.5 degree. Its ratio also you can convert it only. Right? That is 7.5. 1 degree, that is 30 degree, this is 360. Right? 30 to 360. 30 to 360. This is our hand, this is minute hand. Then 1 degree, that is 12. Right? That way you can do it, but immediately you solve it quick means 30 degree movement. This is one step 30 degree, that is 360. If 15 minutes, it makes 90 degree, by 4 कर दो 7.5 degree. Right? While it will move to this position, 15 minutes, what is this degree? That is 90 degree. At that time, what happens to our hand? It will move 7.5 degree. So 90 minus 7.5, that is 82.5 degree. This is important. Right? Like this, one more question you see. Suppose 315. देखो 315. While 315, this is the 3 p.m. This is the 3:12. While it will move to this, what happens to this? It will move here. At once, it will come to this side. So how much it will come to this side? That's 7.5 degree. Right? Again you take it, that is 330 degree. 330 minutes. If it will move to 3, then 30 minutes. 30 minutes में कितना आएगा? 7.5 into 2, that is 15 degree. देखो 30 minutes में 15 degree आएगा. Right? Simply, so 30 minutes, it will go 50 degree, 15 degree. So 30 minutes में it will be 15 degree. This is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. So now see 3:30. Here the 3 and this minute hand comes to this 30. Our hand just will move. Here say 15 degree and here the minute hand. So this is 90 degree. 90 degree. Here is the hour hand because hour hand is back. Always you keep it in mind. Hour is either at the front or at the back. So 90 degree minus 15 degree, that is 75 degree. Right? That is by 3:30. Right? Then this type of question is coming. Suppose this will be 3:45. क्या होगा? 7 half into 3. That is 22 half degree. It will move towards this 22 half. So this is 180 minus 22 half. Easily you can do it. Like this you can make more questions. No problem. Then you see one more questions anytime 8:30, 8:30, 6:30, 5:30 you can make anytime. There will be no problem. Then there is 51 more. That is while this is interesting and this is always coming in our competitive exams. And easy also, you can go to formula. 3, 6, 9. Suppose 3 to 4. 3, you see, 3. Here is the hour hand, here is the minute hand. Sure. That is 3 to 4. Here is the 4. 3 is the 4. So within 3 to 4, when it will coincide. When it will coincide with each other. You see, if it will, here is the hour hand, here is the minute hand, and this part is 15 minutes they are apart from each other. Just like the train, आगे पीछे, speeding, speeder train, slower train, how to cross it like this. So 15 minutes apart. This will be cover up to be coinciding, right? So what to do now? Already I told you. If 60 minutes, very simple, 60 minutes, that is 55. So you take 60 by 55. This is the difference. Because that is 60 minutes, 55 minutes again. So 60 by 55 into 15. Right? So 60 by 55 into 15. So you got it 12 by 11. That will be 15, 12 by 11 into 12 by 11 total into 15. That is 16 1 by 11. Right? So that is the 16 1 by 11. It will coincide. Because very simple. This is the 15 minutes apart. So hour and minute and I have already told you 60 by 55 that is 12 by 11 into 15. So that is 12 by 11 into 15. Here one thing you can do it, that is, so quickly, कैसे करेगा उसको 16 11 by 11 देखो. 15 into 1 into 1 by 11 कर दो. Right? So this is 15 into 1, this is 1 by 11, that is 15 by 11. That is 16, 15 by 11, yes. 15 1 by 11, that is 15 plus 15 by 11, that is 1 4 by 11, right? If you multiply this, it will take time. Simply by fraction process, that will teach you slowly and details in lower class teaching subject teaching classes. When I will start from 7 8, I will practice the fractions. Immediately you can do it. So the 15 into 1 by 11, 1 by 15 to 1, 15 plus this is 15 by 11. That is 1 4 by 11. That will be 15 minus 11. Very simple. देखो ऐसे तो improper fraction आएगा. Any numbers you can do it like this. I will not teach you fraction now. Just for that I am telling you. 15 improper हो गया. 15 plus 1 कर दो. That is 15 plus 1 16 कर दो. 15 minus 1 11. That is 4 by 11. That's a trick. Now see. One more question accordingly. That is 9 to 3 to 4. 9 to 10. Yes, 9 to 10. This is the 9, this is 10. You see, 9 positions you see, 9 to 10. This is the 9, here 10. What is the difference with this? 45 minutes apart. 45 minutes space apart between hour hand and minute hand. Now we have to cover up it. What is the ratio? Hour and minute hand? Minute hand is 60, 55 cannot. Simply that is into 45 straight. So you make it 12 by 11. That is 12 by 11 into 45. Yes. Now you see some process that is 45 into 1 by 11 into 35. That is 45 plus 1 45 then 45 by 11 that is plus 4 1 by 11. Straight 45 4 plus 1 by 11 that is 49 1 by 11. Right? 49 1 by 11. 45 by 11 that is 4 1 by 11. Okay, 49 by 11. So this is the time when it will coincide with each other. Yes. So this is the time when it will coincide with each other. So this club questions you can get maximum type of intelligent questions coming in different exam also. So one more question I am telling you just to see. Mainly timing while I teach you the reasoning math. Reasoning math also you can get this club type questions. Suppose you see, I am giving you. Yes, objective questions you will get it. Hands coincide in a day 22 times. Hands straight 44 and hands straight opposite direction that is 22. Always hands straight 44, right angles 44. Right? But coincide hands straight, hands objectively, hands straight 44, right angles 44. Coincide in a day that is 22 in a day. Then straight line opposite direction mind it that is 6. Time is 6 is opposite direction that is 22. Directly exactly question also coming. No, but reason is know it. This direction 5 to 7 only 1 and this direction that is 11 to 1 only once that is 12. Right? Then we'll go for that is yes one question. Mr. X reached 20 minutes. Questions this will come in the reasoning math questions. Just I am giving one example. 20 minutes before 8:50. Mr. Y, Mr. X, they can give it. Ma'am, Sumit, Subhas, they can give it. Mr. Y, that reached late by 40 minutes. Reached late by 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Which is 30 minutes earlier than X. Find out the right time or scheduled time. Find out the right time. You see? Sequence circle. Mr. X reached office or in meeting place 20 minutes. Minutes are shorter than 20 minutes. 20 minutes. That is before 8:50. And this is reached 40 minutes late. But this is 30 minutes earlier than X. Just to see. 20 minutes before, so what is the time? Reached 8:30. Mr. X reached what time? 8:30. But Y is 40 minutes late, but which is 30 minutes earlier than X. So that means difference कितना आएगा? 10 minutes earlier, right? So actually reached 8:30, 10 minutes earlier. So it will be fixed time कितना आएगा? 8 Sir, 8:30. So that earlier than this, but late than this. That late, this is late by 10 minutes. So that is 8:20 is the scheduled time. Right? These things you have to immediately understand it and answer it within 30 seconds. These are coming in banking, PO, RRB and SSC examination. The details I will explain you when I am teaching this reasoning math ka, I will cover up all these things. Okay? So thank you students. Already I have given you the question paper and you might have answered it. After that I will deliberate. First I will finish all the portions of the NTSC which is going to be held 13th. I will cover up the maximum portions. So today clock is over. Next class I will see you with the direction sense. Then lot about that direction sense, blood relations, cube, dice, water image, mirror image, whatever is possible I will cover. But you go on practicing this. But always go to the basic logic or fundamentals or getting the clue of each and every question that you can apply for other questions. Okay? Thank you all.